Hello, today I will show you an open source DLP mother control board, and it's open source firmware contributed by an GitHubber Andy. As you see here, today I will show you is the maker-based DLP control boards that used in 3D resin printers. Unfortunately to say, maker-based develop were a bit slow on the DLP's resin printers because it just launched only one type of this DLP control boards. Compared to ChiTu system, ChiTu system has launched a series of the DLP control boards already, and many of them used in potent 3D printers. But compared to the ChiTu system or the NanoDLPs, maker-based motherboards has its spirit of the open sources. Thanks to the open source spirit, we can modify or revise their firmware to get or add more new function to our systems. So today I will show you an GitHubber Andy. He's from Russia, and I think he should be a great electronics hardware or software hobbyist, or even an engineer. And here is Andy's revised firmware based on the MKS DLP firmware. With the MKS open source is firmware, so it can let other ones to revise and add more function to the motherboards. So Andy's make the revised versions. So he renamed it as Atlantis. You can see it. His GitHub's project, and his project you can use the IAR 8.32 with the ST libraries to rebuild his project. And one of my clients know his project from the YouTube. As you see here, Andy has made his video on his new firmware, and she add many good function to this firmware. And so one of my clients want to use his firmware, and also my client want to customize his logo, star logo. As you see here, this is Andy's star logos. But my client want to customize. But she asked, how can he get this? As an open source project, you can easily to make it. But come to Andy's project, he didn't make the construction on it. So today I will introduce it to you. And first of all, when you download his whole project to your local PC, you will get the file for the MKS DLP Atlantic 006. You can see here. And you just need to install IR 8.36. Then use the IR editors to open its program file here. This is the IAR program file. EWP is project file. You can open it and then rebuild your project. First of all, if you want to customize your startup logo, you need to go to the image, go to the original, use this bomb to see image exe. This is executable program used in CMD's command line. Go to the CMD's command. Then you need to go to this directory. So first you need to change to D because I put it on my D directory. Change to D directory, then CD to your directory. Now it's CD to the original directory because this directory has the bomb to see image program. So how can we want it? Okay, here is the command. If you want to customize your logo, here is the logo file. You must go to find your logo. You can see the logo bomb. This is the original logo. You can put your customized logo onto this directory. Once you put it on it, you should use the BMP format. Then, in the command line, you just add the command to your CMD. You can use this command line, CMP to CMG logo. You just need to place it, enter. It will explore the will convert the file and will have the success mention. If it isn't the success mention, that means your logo bomb will convert to logo C image. And that's how can you customize your new logos. When you finish this, you need to import your projects to your IAR and rebuild your project. Then you can get the new debut. Then upload the bin to your SD card or the USB. Then punch your USB or the SD card to your MKS DLP motherboard and power on. Then it will upload your new system to your DLP board. As you see here, here is use the USB. You can upload your firmware through the USB port. And thanks for contributors to contribute to the GitHub, so we can enjoy his firmware. And why I want to introduce you MKS DLP motherboards, because I has already found a YouTuber, Sniffer, has upgrade his Wanhao D7 with the MKS DLP Sport. If you are interested in this project, you can go to see Sniffer videos. He has installed the new board to his Wanhao D7, and also with the MKS DLPs, his Wanhao upgrade, upgrades, and can print, and finally can make the success to print 3D model. And if you want to buy the MKS DLP boards, I suggest you the better buy the V2 versions. Why I suggest you buy the V2 version? V2 version compared to 1.0 or 1.1 boards, V2.0 boards has upgrade is connected to FFC's cables. With the upgrade, you can prolong it your LCDs. It's easier to connect to your Sharp 5.5-inch 2K LCDs. As you see here, this is the version 1.0. This is the locks for the Sharp 5.5-inch LCD. So it can prolong its cables. But when come to the V2.0, you can see it's back. You have the prolonged FFC cable and the adapter to connect to your 2K LCD. That is the good develop or good upgrade for the DLP board. So I suggest that you can buy the V2.0 board. I will also give the buy links on our store. If you support me, you can buy our products on my AliExpress stores. I'm just a wholesaler for the MKS board or other 3D printers, 3D printer parts. If you support me, you can go to my VIS Technological store. I will give my link below to let you buy our 3D printer parts. Thanks for watching. Bye.